Hey guys, it's Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. I wanted to show you what nutsedge looked like. We're getting a lot of questions about nutsedge and what it looks like and what kind of weed it is. It's actually a weed that sort of looks like grass, but it doesn't get treated with any of the grassy weed herbicides that we put down for like crabgrass and foxtail. It's also not treated. We're not able to treat it with a broadleaf weed spray that would normally treat like dandelion, clover, and other kinds of weeds like that. But I want to show you what the nutsedge looks like so that you're aware whether you have it in your yard or not. It is a lighter green and it grows really fast. It sort of looks like a grass. It kind of comes out of a clump, one little spot in the ground rather than a bunch, and it grows super fast. You can cut your yard, let's say one day, and the next day, during the hot summer, this stuff will be popped up again already, and you can see it. So it can make a lawn look fuzzy, or it can have lots of patches in the lawn. If you pull it out, it'll actually have let's see if I can get this one, a purple base to it, right down here, and it's triangular. You probably can't see it on the camera, but it's got like a triangular base to it, and that's a clear identifier of what nutsedge is. So if you have that and you're having trouble getting rid of it, we can help you with that. There are some products at the big box stores that treat for it, but they are not nearly as gentle in the yard as the product that we use. So if you do go to the like Home Depot or Lowe's and try to find something that can treat for nutsedge, just use it very sparingly. Don't really douse an area with it because you might burn your lawn. So if you have any questions about nutsedge or anything else, feel free to give us a call. Thanks.